Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tzumi Smart Home app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tzumi Smart Home is an app designed to control and manage various smart devices made by Tzumi, such as smart plugs, LED strips, bulbs, and cameras. With this app, users can remotely turn devices on or off, schedule operations, group multiple devices, and even set up automation routines. It also supports voice assistant integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is fairly simple, with easy setup for most Tzumi devices. Many users praise how smoothly it connects with smart plugs and lights, allowing for quick scheduling and remote access. Voice control works well once linked to the preferred assistant, and automation scenes help simplify daily routines. Notifications for connected cameras or sensors are usually timely and reliable. That said, the app isn't without flaws. Some users report issues with device pairing, especially during the first-time setup. Others mention that firmware updates can be slow or fail unexpectedly. A few users also experience delays in automation triggers or find the app slightly buggy on older Android versions. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Tzumi Smart Home is a useful app for controlling compatible devices, especially if you're invested in the Tzumi ecosystem. It simplifies remote access and automation for everyday tasks, though occasional glitches and pairing hiccups may affect the experience for some users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.